right heroes could make all the difference.
Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I've got huge gaps in my intel when it comes to Krakoa. Care to fill them in, Miss Frost?
Information is a valuable commodity, Ms. Han.
True. Some knowledge is even more precious than diamond.
Now.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Once I saved lives with a scalpel. Now I do it with a spell. Good medicine. Power beyond sight! Ionic magic!
I see you've been taking my lessons to heart. Bravo!
Minutes. You need me.
I've tagged them! Go!
We'll finish the mission, Director Han.
Our enemies are near.
Double KO! Sorry, Squirrel Girl. Multi-prey! That's 3!
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
A nice deep. We need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Good medicine. An unseen assist.
Better stop that vehicle! Take that, you villain! Mark my you stop them in their tracks! A nice deep freeze.
My life is in peril.
Sorry, Squirrel Girl. It's Mark my prey. Double KO! That's 3!
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Better stop that vehicle! They've made it halfway! Stop them!
Ionic magic! Good medicine. 1,000 gods! By the eye of Agamotto! Power beyond sight!
You belong to me!
Power beyond sight! doctor is in.
Our prey is in the open.
He stopped them in their tracks. You crossed my path! Gotcha!
Power beyond sight!
Double KO!
By the
Gotcha!
shades of the Seraphim, I return.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be the time to stop them.
I like the cold.
Behind you!
Enemy in front.
Need assistance.
I have unfinished business here.
Better stop that vehicle!
I got you. Director's injured. Mayday.
Now or never! Stop them!
An unseen assist! By the eyes it gods!
Don't give them another inch! For us!
Better look behind you.
Good medicine. An unseen assist!
Show me a shit. Sustained. Need assistance.
Only 60 seconds left!
An unseen assist!
The current score is 0-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2!
Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
No time for idle chatter. If you've got something to say, spit it out.
It's just... Logan used to tell me bedtime stories about Kumiho when I was a child, and...
The legends are not particularly kind to us. Don't believe everything they say.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
sight! By the shades of the Seraphim, I return. Good medicine.
Attack them!
Enemy in front of us. Psionic magic!
Fear pain. I feel Cover me! Look over here.
Good medicine. Power beyond sight.
Cage can't hold the Kumiho.
Power beyond sight.
Focus that vehicle to its destination.
Our enemies are near. Good medicine. Ionic magic!
Double KO!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns. Good medicine. Some assistance, please. A thousand gods!
You crossed my path! Gotcha! Tibido spotted bad guys. There they are!
If we delay any longer, Dracula will prevail.
Hotline and Tracer! Crimson Chain!
I am straight for
You
battle.
belong to me! Rex is injured!
By the eye of Agamotto! Uncompromised. Power beyond sight! Rise, my friends! I require some aid. An unseen assist! Must confront Dracula himself. Good medicine.
Double KO!
Oh, be gone.
You can return the favor anytime.
Good
This
medicine.
place is aching to be destroyed. Survive this journey. Perhaps you could be my new avatar here on Midgard.
Our enemies are near. An unseen assist. By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
Iron Squirrel!
I am strengthened for battle.
Down to 30 seconds! Get that vehicle moving again!
Time is not on.
Power beyond sight!
Nowhere yet! Going to overtime!
By the eye of Agamotto! Ionic magic!
Final score 1, 2, 3. Well, you can't expect to win them all. Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Hey, Doc. I've got a bit of a dragon problem. Think you could help?
You came to the right sorcerer. I have slain unfathomable beasts from across countless realities.
Whoa, hey! I don't want you to slay him. I want you to turn him back into my sweet
The battle starts in 5, 4,
I see.
3,
Well,
2,
that I
1.
fear could be far more.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I found a family out here in space. I'll do whatever it takes to keep them safe.
You're my kind of road. Our enemies are near.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
I become vulnerable.
The mission area is yours.
Your sacrifice won't be forgotten, Cyclops. I am strengthened.
The land shark does it again.
Cease hostile actions.
Control lost.
Our enemies are near.
Control seized.
Good medicine.
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Bionic magic!
Control lost.
Literally!
Double KO. That's 3.
By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
High voltage. What the?
Elastic and fantastic! Ha! Ha ha! Ha ha!
Lucky I wasn't hungrier.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Bionic magic! Bullets bested again by spell work. I am never by the eye of Agamotto! Power beyond sight! Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Glory is almost yours.
Outweighed.
A shield!
Insolent few. The
Control
Sorcerer
lost.
Supreme lives once more. I'm opening a portal.
Ionic!
They've almost
A
got it.
shortcut to space. Bionic!
You cannot hurt me.
Bionic!
Like bullets.
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
"30 seconds before you attack. Get ready."
Can you use your magic to erase events from someone's mind, Stephen?
I can. I once made the entire world forget that Spider-Man was really... whoever he is. Why?
I've been having flashbacks ever since I escaped from Alchemy. Wait, really?
The battle starts in 5, 4,
But don't factor
3,
me making the world
2,
forget about mutants
1.
into one of your own plans.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
The future is at my fingertips.
I am strengthened for battle.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
Targeted for extermination.
Good. Power beyond sight.
Control C!
Our enemies are near.
That hurt!
The hard one. I am strengthened for battle.
Should have folded, Remy.
Protect this spot with everything you have.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going!
Got me good. Oh, winner! Hey!
By the shades of the
Control
Seraphim,
lost.
I return.
Force boost!
Good medicine.
Elastic and fantastic!
That was a was that truly your
Their team's
mortal
capture progress
pain
has
is no
passed the
match
halfway
for the
point.
Sorcerer Supreme.
Hell unleashed!
Propulsion beam!
Good medicine.
They've almost got it!
I feel like myself again.
I have unfinished business here. I'm opening a portal. A shortcut through space.
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime!
Perfect precision.
Pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.